Chocolate Cupcake E.
Okay, so I'm just getting back to the cutting thing. Ooh, it almost spilled, but I got it, so. And here are the cute little animals. Are they cute? Yes, they're very cute. Thank you. So these animals are kind of the cute ones I actually ever saw. This is a cow. So this is the horse. I really like it. It's pretty, isn't it? So here's the donkey. So I got the cow, horse, and donkey. Which one do you think is the biggest? Definitely this one. This one is just like so cute. This one is the mostly in the middle, and this one is the tallest. So let's get one other animal out. It's so cute. And this is the last animal, puppy. As you see, we've got now 3 puppies, but its head broke off. We're gonna fix that later. So these are the animal things that I wanted to build for that little thing that it's supposed to come with. And so that's in the bag. I'll see you very soon, and I'm going to play with these animals very soon. So it's going to be fun for another video. Bye.